We're looking at page number 104. It still covers the helix in terms of the auger, and if you are going to look at the instruction page, it says here that is an incomplete front view and a left view of an auger with PQ indicating the starting position, the position of the center point R on the drawing sheet as well. So let us quickly have a look at that. This is basically given to you. There is the outside circle of 80 diameter and an inside circle of 30 diameter, which is going to be basically drawn with 40 radius and 15 radius there around the R center point or reference point. PQ is here. That is the shaft, which is that thickness over there, and those are the two starting points. The P point will obviously run on the outside circle, and the Q will run on the inside circle as we've done. Let's go back to the instruction. The pitch is 60, and I want you to understand the pitch is 60, which is the height. And for that, you need, if the pitch is 60, there will be 12 spaces in 60. And that means that that is one turn. But they obviously here in the instruction tell you that they want 1.5 turn. So 1.5 turn, one turn is 60, 12 spaces, and a half a turn is half of 60, which is 30, which gives me 90. And then also within half a turn there are only 6 spaces. So 6 plus the 12 gives us 19. So 19 spaces and 18 spaces and 90 with the full length be of 1.5 turns. And it's a right-handed turn, and you will have to draw that auger to a scale 1:1. So let's go there. You will obviously draw this from the reference point. You will project that over. This distance is any distance. You're going to divide this into your 12 parts. The 90 that you have, 60 for one turn and 30 for another turn, gives us a turn and a half. So that 90 must be divided into the 12 and 6 spaces, which is 18 spaces, and it's going to give you 90 divided by 18. It's going to give you 5 millimeters. So that would be 5 millimeters apart. Okay, and then of course you are going to bring these lines across like you did previously, so that you can plot the P point on that point over here. There you're going to plot it for me. Write down that is one turn of 60 and another half a turn of 30, and you actually end up on this side of your grid line. Then you are going to carry on with your inside circle, and that is where you are going to plot your inside circle on these respective points which you have here in green. Alright? Please make sure that you have all these points drawn down and you plot them according to the spaces that you have there. There's obviously one point missing there, but that point should be put in as well. And then it's important that the turn is given to you like that you work your way down, so it's going to become visible first till there, and that's going to be visible till there. Right? So this is going to be visible, meaning it's basically in front of the shaft. That's going to be visible there as well. It's in front and it disappears behind here and it comes out that side there. So if you look at it, you will find that it appears to come in front of the shaft, and then it disappears with the faint lines being there, and it reappears again going to the 1.5 turn top, which you see here. Okay, so you can just finish it off like that by drawing it dark, which would be represented by the blue lines. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.